Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you Android home screen setup guide. These methods help improve your Android phone by keeping it clean, organized, and personalized according to your preferences. And here's a simple beginner-friendly Android home screen setup guide. First, unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Long press on an empty area of the home screen, then tap the home settings or settings. Adjust the home screen grid size, for example, 4x4 or 4x6. Choose whether to show or hide app labels. Return to the home screen and remove unused apps by dragging them to remove. Group similar apps into folders such as social, tools, and games. Long press on the home screen empty space again and tap widgets. Add a useful widget like clock, weather, or calendar. Tap the add to home screen, tap the empty space, resize the widget to keep the layout clean and balanced. Set a wallpaper by long pressing, then wallpaper, choose image or system wallpaper. Open the settings, notifications, and turn off unnecessary alerts. Customize icon size or style. Launcher dependent by long pressing the home screen, then tap the icon and apply if make changes. Then lock the layout and enjoy your organized, personalized home screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.